Hi friends! I'm Soapy the Soap, and today we're going to have fun washing our hands together. Let's go. Turn on the water. Splish splash, here we go. Hello little soap. Make those bubbles grow. Rub-a-dub-dub, front and back today. Scrub, scrub, scrub the germs away. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Happy soap will sing and dance. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Make them clean and bright. Scrub between your fingers, round and round the thumb. Over on your knuckles. Oh, we're having fun. Count to 20 slowly, that's the way to know. When the germs say bye, and it's time to go. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Happy soap will sing and dance. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Make them clean and bright. Rinse, rinse, rinse away. Wave those bubbles down the drain. Dry them well and clap hooray. Healthy hands all day. Now your hands are squeaky clean. Great job, friends. Remember, wash, rinse, and dry every day. See you next time.